Hey y'all, it's Crystal. Today we're making the double crochet 2 together. This is abbreviated DC, the number 2, TOG. And to get started, I have a row of double crochet stitches. You can use any weight yarn and hook. I'm using my 5mm with number 4 medium yarn. Now on row 2, we'll start with the chain 3 alternative, or you can use a chain 3 if you prefer. Okay, so now we're going to double crochet these 2 stitches together. So I'll yarn over and insert my hook in the first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on my hook. Now I'll move to the next stitch, yarn over and insert my hook into that stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, 4 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. 2 double crochets become 1. Now I'll repeat that in the next 2 stitches. And there's our second dc2tog. I'll just double crochet in this last stitch, and then you can see how it's starting to come in at the sides from our decreases. So I'm just going to go ahead and work this up like a little triangle using the decreases and regular double crochets so you can see how it finishes up.